Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, authentic, original, official, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators or imposters. And donate to the channel. And I'm in the Walnut Creek BART bus garage, which is also the parking garage, which I finished. So I'm waiting for the bus. A little noisy here, but the bus is going. I thought I'd show you what the inside of this looks like. There's the old garage. And the nice thing about this is all the buses are not scattered on one side or the other of the column over there where it's all fenced off. And you're under the garage, so in case of rain, you don't get soaked. So, and I guess those wires are for earthquake. I'm not certain. Wish they'd put the rocks in there. It makes it hard to walk from one bus area to the other. But anyway, lots of bicycle parking. And BART is our local subway system that goes from Fremont to San Francisco, from Richmond to San Francisco, from Antioch to San Francisco, and from the airport, Millbrae, the airport to San Francisco and beyond. So, next time I come down there, they've got a new elevator goes up. I'll take the elevator up there and show you the parking levels. You're not going to be taking any big trucks to the bottom here. It'll tear your truck roof off. 7 foot of clearance. Let's see, somebody. Those old county connection buses, they're ones coming in that you call them up and they pick you up at a set time, take you where you want to go, and then pick you up again. But I think you have to have a doctor's note, though. I'm not certain on that. Looks like they finally finished the apartment building across the street. I don't know if you can see it. And on the other side of the garage is where the taxi parking is and where you pick somebody up if they get off the BART of the bus. I guess the glare is going to wipe this out. There's a sign there. It says bus bays 1 to 5 shows you where to get the bus. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It's kind of warm and muggy here in Walnut Creek. Stay cool and stay safe. Bye-bye for now.